everyone, in today's video I'm gonna compare two finance apps. The first one is MooMoo and the second one is M1 Finance. So MooMoo is an SEC regulated app based on investment platforms, and while on the other hand M1 Finance is a US brokerage that allows user to build a customizable investment portfolio from a range of 6,000 plus stocks and shares in ETFs and cryptocurrencies. While on the other hand, MooMoo offers a straightforward, user-friendly, affordable way to invest in Chinese, Hong Kong, Singaporean, Australian, and US stocks, ETFs, and other assets. And uh, in M1 Finance, you have the innovative pipe-based portfolio, and this portfolio allows management systems allows trader to build several portfolios, meaning you can simply open several portfolios at the same time to trade at different exchanges and with different aims. And the brokerage supports machine learning tools, meaning that you can open a demo account before jumping into the real world, and yeah, just automate your portfolio management. Well, the MooMoo application has margin trading and also offers brand a zero deposit account as well as several bonuses when you sign up. And yeah, this is a comparison that I have shown you about the two, and this is a brief comparison. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.